Hello everybody, it's me Azana and today we are playing Don't Hit the Button, Don't Press the Button, part 4. So we just joined in, that's why we're in the air. So when you click the button, a random thing happens, like that, okay? Now someone click the button, click the button. Okay. Bad weather, oh crap, oh no. Dodge, 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 dodge. Now it's gonna come over here, so I'm gonna go over here. Stand up here. Whoa! Wait, you're safe up here. Oh my god. Why are you all up here? People are copying me by jumping. Oh wait, no, everyone come back because I'm going to be in the middle of you people. I'm going to be in the middle, so you're going to die and I'm not. Oh, it's gone. Guys, it's gone. Chill. Reach the top. Oh. Whoa! Jump! Oh! Jump! No, frick. I mean, I don't want to go to the top. Because I can just get free coins. Haha, you died. Wait, what? The stairs were only here? What? Whoa! What the frick is this? What is... No. Definitely I could have the most tiles. Hey, who keeps on doing this? Yo, I've got this. Yes! Let's go! 126 points, I got it. Oh, reach the end! This is easy. No, the water's rising. Oh, it's a tsunami. Oh, the tsunami. Oh, the snow. Oh. Hey, that's not fair. I mean, we started all the way from here. And yeah. We spawned. Oh, Abby cat died. What can I get from the shop? Watermelon. Okay, what about 9,000? 5,000. I'm gonna get the 5,000 one. Okay. Oh, you have to dodge these purples? Okay. Wait, do you go in the air? No, you just start again. Dude, stop. Go away from me. I landed. Boom. I landed on the bad side. I landed on the freaking bad side. Oh, that person made it. Where the flip is 58? That's 78. I need 58. That's 60. 78. Where's 58? Oh, found it. Okay. Guys, then, just so you know, my username on Roblox is my YouTube name, so when you find me, yeah, you know it's me because it's my username, and I just told you. If you're a fan, though, if you're not a fan, how dare you? What? Oh! What do you have to miss? Where are they? Oh, could you travel it? Oh, you just fall on the map. Okay, that's well. Okay, that's a tree. $170,000 likes. Oh yeah, I forgot to tell you. If you want a new update on this game, you gotta reach this video to 170,000 likes. So as I suggest you like this video, or the FBI is gonna arrest you and he will put a spider on your bed at night. I'm a giant. How the frick am I meant to do that when I'm so fat? I can't do this. How am I meant to do it in this? Oh, now it's small. Thank God. Let me zoom in. Frick you. Let me get away from this rat. Go away. Move. This is the jumps. These are the jumps I can't get. Oh, my tiny person. Oh, thank God. What? What is that? Just so you know, I'm an obby pro. Thank God. Get ready. Oh, boom. No. Whoa! How do you use that? The winners are water's rising. Okay. Someone's gonna push me off. Someone! Stop. No! These are the hardest. I was making so much progress! Slash frick. Somebody please. I've got money. Okay. What the frick? You didn't show me any color. Oh. I didn't see that. That's red. You're blind. I didn't know you flipping say that. Okay. Anyways. If you want me to play with my people, fans, if you want me to play with you fans, It's landing on my head. Why am I sitting? Okay. Whoa! Get to the finish line. We're playing Speedrun 4, baby! Speedrun 4! Boom, 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 boom. Speedrun 4, baby! Right at the end I die. Right at the end. So proud. Holy. Gotta go fast. Where? Where? It's here. Where? Where do we go? I don't know where to go. Who are you talking about?